This is Channel V8X, and today, you're not just looking at a car, you're witnessing pure attitude on four wheels. Meet the 2026 Mercedes CLA 250 in glossy black. The sport luxury sedan that's here to dominate streets, turn heads, and flex serious premium energy. If you thought compact luxury was boring, think again. Because this machine? It's built different. Front view hype. Let's start with that front view, and wow. Mercedes did not come to play. That aggressive grille. Those razor-sharp LED headlights. And the way this glossy black paint absorbs light like liquid shadow, this thing looks absolutely menacing. From the low stance to the sculpted hood lines, the 2026 CLA 250 screams performance even when it's standing still. This is the kind of front end that makes people move out of your lane before you even hit the horn. Side profile praise. Now slide over to the side profile, and this is where the coupe DNA really flexes. That fastback roofline? Smooth. Those flowing body lines? Surgical. The black-on-black luxury presence? Straight up elite. Mercedes' perfectly balanced sport and elegance here. It's low, it's sleek, and it carries that premium German confidence that never goes out of style. Rolling down the highway, this car doesn't just drive, it glides with authority. Rear view hype. But wait until you see the rear. That full-width LED light bar glowing red at night. Absolutely vicious. The rear of the 2026 Mercedes CLA 250 looks futuristic, clean, and aggressively premium. It's the kind of back view that makes the car behind you wish they had upgraded their life choices. Every curve back here is intentional. Every line is sharp. This is modern luxury design done right. Interior and dashboard praise. Step inside, and the vibe completely levels up. The ambient lighting wraps around the cabin like a private jet. The digital dashboard is crisp, futuristic, and ridiculously clean. Mercedes didn't just build an interior, they engineered an experience. Everything feels tight, premium, and driver-focused. From the steering wheel grip to the widescreen display, the CLA 250 makes every drive feel like a VIP event. Engine and performance hype. Under the hood? Oh yeah, there's real muscle here. The turbocharged powertrain delivers quick response, smooth acceleration, and that confident Mercedes performance feel. It's not just about speed, it's about controlled, refined power that hits exactly when you need it. Perfect for city flex. Perfect for highway pulls. Price mention. Now let's talk numbers. The 2026 Mercedes CLA 250 in black is expected to start around $44,000 to $48,000 in the US market, depending on trims and options. And honestly, for this level of design, tech, and street presence, that price hits very different. You're not just buying transportation, you're buying status, style, and serious road presence. Highway and night energy. Out on the highway, this thing moves like a shadow missile. Smooth, planted, confident. And at night? Different beast. With those LEDs slicing through the dark and that black paint reflecting city lights, the CLA 250 becomes pure rolling luxury cinema. This is the kind of car that makes every drive feel expensive. Outro, strong call to action. If you're feeling the energy of the 2026 Mercedes CLA 250, you already know what to do. Hit that like button, smash subscribe, and stay locked in. Because this is Channel V8X, where horsepower meets hype. And trust me, we're just getting started. Fire.